Wilcom's Embroidery Studio Ordering is the perfect companion product that will save your business hours of design and order management. Working in combination with any existing Embroidery Studio E4 product from lettering level and above, Embroidery Studio Ordering empowers your client services and sales team to quickly find existing embroidery designs, create new design requests, record important design and order information, or check the status of existing designs and orders. Using the powerful Design Library feature, you can search and locate designs. Search by customer name, order number, reference, design title, and more. Once you locate your design, you can preview the design or even watch how it sews. Your customer service and sales team can make basic design level changes such as resizing the design, plus creating new colorways, or changing the existing thread colors of the design. If a design change is required, you can create a new design request. Simply save a new version of your design. Update the design status and order number, plus enter the order color, size, and quantities. And add any additional order notes. Your digitizing team will now be able to search your design library for any design requests, make the appropriate changes, then update the design status while they await your customer's approval. Instantly produce production worksheets or artwork approval sheets, including a high-res product image showing exactly how the finished product will look. Customize your order approval sheets to include additional order information which you have saved with your design file. Your customer service staff can email the approval sheet directly to your customer from within the ordering application. At any point in time, your team can see the status of your designs and orders, eliminating the need to run around your factory floor manually checking the progress of your orders. To find out more, visit wilcom.com/ordering.